Welcome back, guys. So in last video we did completed the SQL database and we connected all the tables. And it's been 28 days and I have been working on Spring Boot right now. So basically Spring is a framework in which we will make Java based Spring Boot application. So in today's video we'll just create an application to show how the data will flow. So let's get started. So this is the plan, guys. From our laptop we'll be using the Spring Boot server on the port 7070, having two files, person.java, PersonController.java. Under person we'll be having first name, last name and age, and in PersonController we'll be accessing the person using object p1, and we'll set the first name, last name and age, and we will return the object. So at the end we will get the person's first name, last name and age. So this is the motto or the plan we have to complete. So in Spring Initializer we have to initialize our project, and then let's get started working. So we did completed the person and the person controller. We did initialize three variables: first name, last name and age, and its setters and getters. And in person controller we are creating a person object and sending data for first name, Tanya, last name Desmukh and age as 22, and we are returning that object. So if we run, in the last we'll get the completed initializations. So in the output it will be showing as first name as Tane, last name as Desmukh and age 22 when we are opening that particular local host link. Again, in the similar way, when we have created the same thing for student, but in this we initialize some more variables, which is ID and phone number, and we are returning it as an integer. Same setters and getters, we are returning the output, we are returning the data, and the output we get is this. ID is 101, first name, last name, age and phone number. So that's it for today's video. Hope you have a great time. Thank you for watching.